10 Stereotypes about Sweden. Number 1. Utopia. Powered by IKEA and free healthcare. Social media paints Sweden as a perfect welfare state with endless benefits. The reality is more complex. Strong public services exist, but so do rising living costs, a housing shortage, and political debates about immigration and crime. Number 2. Everyone is effortlessly cool, silent, and minimalist. Instagram and TikTok aesthetics make Sweden look like a land of quiet, stylish, design-obsessed people. While minimalism is trendy, Swedes are as diverse in personality, style, and lifestyle as anywhere else. Number 3. Sweden is crime-ridden. Now, international headlines focus on gang violence and shootings in certain cities. Most of Sweden remains safe, with some of the lowest crime rates globally. But urban safety concerns are real. Number 4. Total atheists who replaced religion with Hygge. Sweden is often called one of the most secular countries in the world, but traditions like Christmas, midsummer, and community gatherings still play a huge cultural role. Number 5. Ultra-green saints. Sweden has ambitious climate policies and is seen as an environmental role model, yet Swedes also have one of the highest consumption rates and still rely heavily on air travel. Number 6. Perfect gender equality solved. Laws and policies are among the most progressive globally, inspiring other countries, but gaps in PE leadership roles and unpaid domestic labor still exist. Number 7. They all speak flawless English. English proficiency is high and young. Swedes often sound almost native. Still, fluency varies by region, education, and age. Not everyone speaks like a Netflix actor. Number 8. Swedish pop machine equals happy robots. Sweden's music exports are legendary, from ABBA to Avicii, but the industry is driven by creative, sometimes rebellious communities, not just polished pop factories. Number 9. Immigration broke Sweden. This polarizing claim circulates online and in politics. Integration is a work in progress, with both challenges and many success stories. Number 10. Everyone skis in saunas in the archipelago. Winter sports and saunas are part of Swedish life for some, but millions of Swedes don't ski, and many live far from the postcard-perfect islands.